Hey, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $477 per click. That's right, up to $477 per click. I'm going to go into details. I'm going to show you guys how to set this up. I'm going to show you the website that you're supposed to go, where to find the offer, and how you could do this with only one click. And you could do this as many times as possible because I know that you can crush it if you follow this simple method. So if it's your first time here to my YouTube channel, I talk about entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, and just different ways so I can share my knowledge with you so you can have a life of freedom and you can know exactly how to get started. Now, make sure you check out AndreaMillerOnline.com and I can share some more details if you want me to go into further details and you would like to learn more in-depth training. But this video, I'm going to cover everything. I'm not going to leave out anything. So make sure you watch the video, right? So if some of you probably don't know what it is, I'm going to go with what we call an affiliate offer. So this video is all about affiliate marketing, and you can make $477, up to $477 per click with this one offer. So it's a great offer, it's hot, and it's booming right now. So first thing you got to do, you got to sign up for Warrior Plus. If you don't know what Warrior Plus is, they have a great, it is an affiliate network or affiliate hub, I should call it, which they have a tons of different affiliate products here. So if you go into like the marketplace, it is free. You could just sign up for it. And once you come on here, you can see all the different type of products that people sell on here on a day-to-day basis. So people who create these products, they put them on here. And then once we as an affiliate go on there, you can advertise and you can make money just by advertising for these people. So it is pretty cool. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for an offer. Now, whenever I come on Warrior Plus, I always try to find the offers, not the ones that sell the most today, not the one that sell the most yesterday, but I try to go for 7 days or even 30 days. So if I look over a 30 span and I'm like, all right, these are some good products, I check over a 7 day period, and I also see, so if you look on here, this done well over 30 days. In 7 days, it done extremely well. Yesterday, it coming at number 5, and of course today, it didn't do so good because it came in at number 10. However, you got to look over a long period of time and also check these things. So in order for you to get an affiliate link, and I'm going to show you how to do it, is we can look at the offer and see what it looks like. So we're going to go on CB Money Vine VP. We can see the offer. So right here it says Buck the System reverse income software generates 4,217 money links that stuff his auto account on autopilot. Sorry. So if you go through here, you can click on here, you could play it. It's just like a 10-minute video. Now we can click on here and see what your first initial customer will buy. So stay with me until the end because I'm going to show you how to set this up the right way. So make sure you keep watching. So if you look on here, if this person, whoever your customer buy this, right? If they do the checkout, this is going to be a $20 sale. So of the $20, of course, you're going to be making commission just from the front end sale. But I'm going to show you with this one system how you're going to earn up to $477. So stay with me here. So if you look on here, we look at it, you can check it out, and you can even go over to the affiliate tab right here where you could see the CB Money Vine. So how did I get here? I'm going to show you step by step. So I come on here, I copy the offer. So I copy the offer and I go to the affiliates tab and I click in offers. So when I click on offers, what I do is I put the name here because I just want to find it, and I click on search. Once you find it, right here, you can see the refund rate is like a 1%. That is huge, 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 huge. Conversion rate is like 12%. That is big. So out of 100 people, 12 of them actually convert. So out of 100 people that see this offer, at least 12, right? So that's the stats that they're looking at. So you can check it out and you can click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you over here. Now, stay with me. You can read all this information and you could go through here. You can earn up to $477 per click, as I told you in the beginning. So you can see that they're doing competition and stuff. And this is the guy who is the vendor, and he is Brian Winters. Price range from $20 to $397. So every time it goes up, you can make money and you're gonna get a percentage. So the commission range anywhere from like $10 to, I would say, like $710. So yeah, pretty cool. So what you could do, right? As soon as you get approved, you can request approval. You can click on here, you can request approval. And for most of you who are pretty new, right? If you're brand new, request notes. Well, I'm going to share this with you right now, how you can also get this, right? You could say, I would like to promote your offer because I'm going to be sending traffic to your offer. And the traffic that I'm going to be sending is to my email list. And also I'm going to be using paid solo ads. So you can write it down, you can stop the video, you can replay what I just said, but you want to word it nicely. And the reason why you got to request these things, because not everybody want you to just be an affiliate for their product or company. So the first thing first that you have to do, you want to make sure that this is like an interview. So think about this as an interview for the job. And you probably watching this right now and you say, well, Andre, I'm brand new. It's okay if you're completely new. You can type in it because it is optional. But for me, I would basically you can either send it to your PayPal account or you can send it to your Warrior Plus wallet. So I would type in here and I would, type it out and say, hello, I would like to, promote your offer because I've realized it is a great offer and it's something perfect that will work with my email list. If you don't have an email list, don't worry. I'm going to show you how you're going to do this. So you could do that. You can tell them that you want to promote it because it's a great offer. Please can I have an affiliate link? They'll probably get back to you and say, okay, all right, what are you going to advertise it to? You tell them your email list. They probably ask you what's your size of your email list. And you could just say, I'm running solo ads. So the reason why we're saying solo ads is because that's what we're going to be doing once you get the affiliate link. So let's say you get approval for this and you get your affiliate link, right? The next thing we're going to do, we're going to go over to this place called Udemy. Now, wait a second, because I'm still got some more things for you, how you can even make more money with the method that I'm going to share with you. So once you sign up for this, I'm going to leave a link for Udemy in the description if you guys just want to use my link as well and just sign up for it. This is also free, but of course, in order for you to promote your stuff, you have to pay to promote it. So if you come on here and you can find the different vendors that are selling click. So what is this place, or what should I say? How will this place work? These are a lot of different vendors on here and they will send people to your affiliate link. So instead of you trying to go into a Facebook group and paste and post and copy and do this and do that and just hoping you're going to get a sale, on here you can get a lot of traffic onto your list and then you can follow up with them so that way you can keep promoting it. So you can scroll through here. I always try to find the people with good price and of course good reviews. So if I come on here, this person is selling 67 cents. He has like a lot of thumbs up. This person 74%, a lot of thumbs up as well. 59%, 59 cents, sorry. A lot of thumbs up, 49 cents. So you can look and you can see what you can afford. So if you can afford 40 cents, so let's say out of 40 cents per click, in order to get 100 people, you got to pay at least $100. With the fees and everything from here, it's going to be a little bit more. So it's $40 per 100 visitors. So if you look on here, you'll see 200 visitors right here. This person right here, 4 hours seller time, 40 cents. You can, if you look on here, this is for 200 clicks with a 3%. You can go with the base filter. Base filter is just regular. They're just going to send anybody. Or you could do prime. If you do prime, it's the price go up a little bit. If you only do top tier, it's of course going to go up a little bit. And top tier is people that is from the US. So US, Australia, England, UK, all tier 1 countries. So you could do that. You can don't have to do Prime. You can only do just the tier, only top tier. You can put in a little Prime filter if you want. You don't have to worry about putting mobile or no mobile, because people are going to be using their mobile, or some people are going to be using their computer to log on. So you can also check out their reviews down here if you want. See, most people are saying no sales, no sales. People say got sales, got sales, got sales. Of course, with these solo ad vendors, it's not a guarantee that you're going to get a sale. But what I can guarantee you, you're going to get 200 visitors inside. But here's how you're going to be earned up to $477, right? Stay with me. So once you get the link, you request the link, you got the link. Now, instead of you just copying the link right here and you just put it in there, you want to make sure that you don't want to just send people directly to the offer. And that's where a lot of people get hung up, because you're going to send people to the offer and you're basically cutting yourself out of the equation. Yeah, sure, you probably get a sale, you probably get 2 sales, you probably get 1 sale, or you probably get no sales. However, if you build what we call a funnel, right? So if you build a funnel, and I'm going to show you how it works. So let me just log on real quick, and I'm going to show you a funnel. So I'm going to show you exactly what it's going to look like. So I'm going to tap into the affiliate section. Let me just create a hub. So this one is going to be called, let me call it demo funnel. Demo funnel is used. You have reached. Okay, let me just use this. Unlock. Jeez Louise. Killing me over here. All right. So I'm going to use this. So this is what your funnel needs to look like. So this is the opt-in page. And then you have the sales page. Hang on a second. And then this is going to be the video sales letter. So the video sales letter. So, okay, so this is going to be the sales video. Sorry. Let me delete this. Thank you page. Boom. There we go. Here we go. I'm going to make sure this is super clear. So stay with me. Don't you go anywhere, because there's a lot of value that I'm giving you. I'm showing you the things that most people aren't willing to share with you here on YouTube, because they don't want you to win. But I want you to become great. So here you have opt-in, you have the thank you, you have the opt-in page, right? So you got the opt-in page, the thank you page, and you have the sales page. So this is going to be the sales page of this video, which is this right here, right? This is the sales video. You never want to send your customers directly. Let me say this again. So you guys can, you never want to send the customer directly to this page, because if you send them this page and you don't capture the email, guess what's going to happen? They're just going to click, they'll look, and they'll click off. However, if you do collect their email on the first try, because here's the thing, this is where you're going to be, this is going to be the solo ad vendors, right? So these are the solo ads people. So they're going to be sending email to your opt-in. So you're going to capture the email. After you capture the email, guess what? Let me just put this down here, right? I'm going to put this down here, and everything's going to make sense. So the solo ad vendor, when you give him your link, so you're going to create an opt-in page, a thank you page, and a sales page. If you don't know how to create those things, of course, there's plenty of tutorials on here. You can sign up for ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is good. I'm also going to leave a link down below for ClickFunnels. You can try ClickFunnels. If you don't want to use ClickFunnels, you can use other softwares as well. So this is going to be the solo ad vendor. Solo ad vendor is going to send traffic to your opt-in page. From the opt-in page, it's going to go to your thank you page. From the thank you page, they're going to land on this. Where did it go? They're going to land on this video. So that way, when they finish watching the video, they're going to click on here, boom, they'll make a purchase, and it's going to go straight in. So from here, it's going to go here, and into that sales video. And then this is where you're going to make the money right here. Now, what if you send 100 people here, and let's say you get out of 100 people, 35 people put their email address in, and out of 35 people, maybe one buy, or maybe nobody buys. Guess what? You have their email list where you're going to email them every day this video because they're already on your email list, so no need to send them back to here. I hope that makes sense. So you're going to send them from here, and it goes in here. So you're always going to send them, revert them back to the sales video. And you can write high converting emails so that way they can click on it and they can buy. The more value you provide, the more people are going to buy it from you. That's how it works. So I didn't want to make this video too long. I hope you enjoy that video. That was how to earn up to $477 per click. And this is how you can make some money online fast just by setting this up. And you can make this money just by having these guys do the work for you. So this is like automation. They can get everything set up. Once you give them the link, they will send you people, 200 people, 300, 400 people. Is all in. So I'm going to leave all the links down below so you guys can try it out for yourself, test it, see if it works for you. But make sure that you build. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. I'll see you in the next video. My name is Andre. Peace.